cozy living room. Come hang out with me and watch as I clean up. This is pretty much part of daily routine. I'm going to start by picking up all the big pieces of junk from the floor. Now I'm brushing the floor with my broom. Gotta sweep away all the dust and crumbs. Brushing under the sofa is a must. So many little surprises end up hiding there. Look how much dirt piles up every single day. Like, where does it all even come from? Oh right, I forgot we have beautiful kids. That definitely explains all this. Oh, I hate cleaning this, but I have to. Tossing toys into a basket makes cleanup easy. Aren't any tough stains on the countertop, I simply wipe it down with wipes. But most of the time, I use a cleaning cloth instead. Kitchen items like daily makes the job so much easier. I'm moving on to cleaning the sink. It's one of my favourite parts because once the sink is shiny and clean, the whole kitchen instantly feels fresher and more organised. Spray the sink after cleaning to keep it fresh. I'm cleaning the top of the microwave right now. It's surprising how much dust there, so let's quickly wipe it. I'm mixing water and disinfectant in a tub to make a solution for cleaning the floor. I'm also adding some detergent powder to make the floor cleaning even more effective. Enjoy some water ASMR. I prefer using a floor wiper instead of a mop because it makes the floor look shinier. fresher, more organised, and clean. See how the floor's shining now? It looks so much cleaner and really transforms the whole space. I really enjoyed making this video. Filming it actually gives me extra motivation to clean. I hope you found this cleaning session relaxing and enjoyable to watch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.